Which essential oil should no family be without during the winter season? If you guessed OnGuard, you are right. This blend consists of 5 essential oils. Wild orange is known for uplifting and cleansing properties. Clove is valued for its antioxidant properties. Cinnamon provides warming benefits, and rosemary and eucalyptus are great for respiratory support. Now, I don't want to forget, rosemary is amazing for concentration. You can use this blend 3 different ways. Aromatically, just add few drops of OnGuard into your diffuser to create warm and spicy aroma in your household. Topically, dilute 1 to 2 drops of OnGuard with fractionated coconut oil and apply it on the bottom of your feet and on your spine to support your immunity. And internally, take teaspoon of honey and 1 drop of OnGuard. Take it internally to soothe your scratchy throat. As you can see, we have a whole line of OnGuard products because OnGuard Essential Oil Blend is the most popular in doTERRA. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to learn more about essential oils and natural solutions, follow my profile.